Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to publish your custom GPT to the GPT store. If you've been tinkering with ChatGPT and have created something unique, why not share it with the world? With the GPT store, it's incredibly simple to do just that. Whether you're a developer, educator, or just a curious mind, publishing your custom model can help others benefit from your innovation. So, grab your laptop and let's get started on this journey of sharing your creativity. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make your custom GPT available for everyone to use. Before we can publish, we need to create our custom GPT. First, head over to the ChatGPT interface at chat.openai.com. You'll want to navigate to the Create GPT option. Here, you'll fill in details about your GPT, including its name, description, and purpose. Think about what makes your model unique. You can also set special instructions to guide its behavior. Once you've configured everything, don't forget to test it out. Interact with your GPT to ensure it's performing as expected. Remember, the more tailored it is, the better it will serve its users. So invest some time into making it truly shine. Now, here's a trick most people miss: enhancing your GPT with API calls. This can significantly expand its capabilities. After creating your model, you can implement functions for specific tasks. For instance, if your GPT needs to pull data from an external source, you can easily set this up using API calls. To do this, refer to the function calling documentation on the OpenAI platform. Integrating these features can elevate your GPT from basic to advanced, making it much more useful for users. So don't skip this crucial step. By adding functionality, you not only improve user experience, but also increase engagement with your custom GPT. Watch the full tutorial for more tips like this. Alright, now that your GPT is set up and enhanced, it's time to publish. To do this, navigate back to the ChatGPT interface and find the Publish button. You'll be prompted to confirm your details one last time. This includes your model's name, description, and any tags that will help users find it. Make sure everything is accurate and appealing. Once you hit Publish, your custom GPT is officially live in the GPT store. Congratulations! It's an exciting moment, as you've just shared your creation with the world. Remember, you can always update your model later if you want to improve it or add more functionalities. Now that your GPT is published, how do you get people to notice it? Promotion is key. Share your creation on social media platforms, forums, and relevant communities. You can create engaging content around your GPT, like videos or blog posts explaining its uses and benefits. Collaborate with influencers or educators who might find your GPT useful. Also, leverage the power of SEO by using relevant keywords in your descriptions. The more visibility your GPT gets, the more users you'll attract. Remember, sharing is caring. The more people who use your GPT, the better feedback you'll receive, and the more you can improve it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to publish your custom GPT to the GPT store. From creating your model, enhancing it with functionality, to promoting it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to share your creations with the world. Don't forget to keep iterating based on user feedback and exploring new ideas for future GPTs. The field of AI is evolving rapidly, and your contributions can make a real difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tutorials about ChatGPT. Happy publishing!